So we started off with growing in containers, and then we moved off into growing in raised beds. So in this video, we're going to show you benefits of growing in raised beds, and we're going to start right now. What's going on, YouTube Gardening? It's your boy Sydney from the Naked Gardener channel. Hopefully after watching this video you're going to learn the benefits of growing into raised beds. Now if these are some type of videos that you like to watch, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you don't miss an upload. One of the first main reasons why we like to use raised beds is for the simple fact that the temperature, you're able to heat up the soil a lot faster, which is going to extend your growing season, because with it being raised up, not only is the sun hitting down on the soil from this point of view, but it also will be able to hit all different sides, which is, like I said, it's going to extend your growing season where you can plant your plants, transplant them in a lot sooner, and they can stay in your beds a lot longer. Another benefit of growing in raised bed is you're able to control your growing medium. Now in Texas we have a lot of hard clay soil, and so for us to grow in there, you're going to have to kind of slowly but gradually build up your soil. However, if you're doing it in a raised bed like this, you can know what your soil is already going to be like, and it's going to be nice, fluffy, and airy like this right here. And it's just going to help get you a great jump start onto your plants, because you know what the NPK is going to be in there, and you're going to be able to add some trace minerals in there to help provide a healthy plant for whatever that you're growing in them. Another benefit of growing in raised bed is that the higher you have your beds off the ground, the less that you have to bend over. And as we're getting up in age, it helps where we're not bending over and harvesting our plants that way, or whatever produce that we're having. So like for instance on this eggplant, as you can see, it's almost at the chest level. All I got to do is just go right there and I can harvest from the plant. Another advantage of growing into raised beds is you're able to control the drainage. Like we said, with the growing medium, you know what growing medium that you have in here. You know it's not going to be too clay, which is going to hold a lot of water, and it's not going to be too sandy, which is going to wick away a lot of water, where your plants are not going to be able to obtain that moisture from the roots. You're able to know with the growing medium, your plants is going to have enough water retention in here to allow the plants to soak up that nutrients and your fertilizer and your water into the plants. Another benefit of growing into raised beds is that you don't have to worry about compaction. For the simple fact, you don't want to go any more than 4 feet wide, and with these beds we have 3 feet wide. Normally you do like a 2 feet wide, but for me, I'm able to lean across here. I don't have to walk on here to compact that soil, because when you have compacted soil, when you water, the water is going to stay more at top and won't be able to seep all the way through the bed. With the loose soil like this, once the water hits and you saturate it, it's going to be able to flow deep, and you can water deep, which allows the roots of the plant to go deeper and get you a strong structure for your plant. So those are some of the benefits of growing in raised beds. The temperature of the soil is going to heat up a lot faster. You're able to control your growing medium. You're able to allow the drainage for the soil in there. Since you're able to control the growing medium, you don't have to worry about hurting your back from bending over, and less compaction of your soil. Now, name us some of the reasons why you grow into raised beds. If you're into beginning gardening and you're interested in learning how to be more organic, we'll put a playlist above here for you to follow along. Until the next video, let's grow together.